Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a famous celebrity that belongs to politics. She is a famous politician with a net worth of $2 million. Well, how do we say her name correctly? We may pronounce it as Nikki Haley, Nikki Haley, Nikki Haley, Nikki Haley. Nikki Haley is the former governor of South Carolina and served as the U.S. ambassador to the United Nations. She is considered a prominent figure in the Republican Party. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.